Every journey begins with a single step. And ours began quietly, not in a big classroom, but on small screens with a big dream. A dream to empower women. A dream to turn Indian housewives into confident, independent achievers. We began with a handful of students, a few trainers, and hearts full of belief. The screens were small, the resources were limited, but the vision was limitless. And today, as we look back at 1 year of unstoppable growth, we don't just see numbers, we see stories, we see courage, we see women who logged in and logged into their potential. This year, Skill Ninja Academy grew, not just in reach, but in impact. From basic online setups to structured systems filled with energies, idea, and connection. We just didn't conduct classes. We built a digital learning home. We welcomed new teammates, we strengthened our trainers, and together, across screens and cities, we built something meaningful, something powerful, something that touches lives every single day. Our online classrooms filled with voices, our programs expanded. Our purpose became clearer than ever, to uplift every woman who logged in from her home with a hope in her heart. This year, Skill Ninja reached beyond screens. We connected with entrepreneurs associations, women-led networks, and industry partners across cities and communities. These collaborations strengthened our belief that when women grow, families grow. And when families grow, communities rise. We laughed together, we learned together, we celebrated together, even when miles apart. Our HR meets became moments of connection, spaces that reminded us that distance can never weaken purpose. Every online workshop, every live class, every skill taught became a step towards confidence, towards courage, towards independence. Because at Skill Ninja Academy, we don't just teach online courses. We build voices. We build confidence. We build futures. 1 year, one online family, thousands of dreams touched, and a mission that only grows stronger with time.